Hello again, welcome back. We're in Paphos again today. We're just going to have a little stroll around the town. It's currently around about 11 o'clock in the morning, so fairly early. Shops are just started opening up. Some of them are already open, obviously. Some of them are open around about this time. And we're just going to stroll along the harbour up towards the top end, which is where the bus garage is, or where the bus drops you off rather. Now there's a number of restaurants along this part of Paphos Harbour. And also sea cruises. There's one being advertised there on the left. So you've got your shops, your restaurants, and people trying to sell you a cruise, boat cruise. Some of them are really good, so they are worth checking out. They do half-day cruises and also full-day ones. I've been on a half-day one. It's been pretty good. You can take your pick. There's plenty of them to choose from. A few people just milling around there, just having a bit of lunch. We're just going to walk up to the top, just have a look. They've got the old yellow boat out there with a glass bottom on it. Inos, I think it says, Inos glass bottom boat. I have been on that before. Quite nice. Just going to go up to the statue here. The famous statue of the boy holding a fish. The Fisherman statue. So, as I say, it's currently mid-April now, as we're coming along here in the harbour.
You like a bite? A bite?
Probably the most photographed or filmed statue in Paphos. There's a little bit over here where you can go for a swim. Normally the locals will take a dip in the mornings here. They've got showers as well, so it's quite nice if you want to do it. Now I have been in the sea and it's not bad, so it's not too cold. Obviously it hasn't warmed up completely yet, but we'll have a look over there, see if there's anyone taking a dip. So it's got a little pool there, a little paddling pool. Then you can get in off this little jetty. I think that's what they call it. Oh, there's someone in there. Yeah, you get a lot of the older folks from Paphos take a dip here. I've done it myself, and I may do it later. It's really nice. Especially when the weather's like this, you dry off really quickly. That guy's enjoying it, and then you can just use these showers here to have a rinse off and if you've got a towel. Well, Snorkeling Park, protected area. A lot of different fish. I've noticed that before. So, if you've got your snorkeling gear, yeah, there's quite a few people taking a dip by the look of it. So, we'll just carry on walking up past the Bella Italia restaurant. Nice Italian one there, it's very busy. I've not been in it myself, but obviously there's quite a lot of people that are in it, so it must be pretty good. And the Marina there. So if you've not been to Paphos before, there's plenty to see and do, especially on the harbour. Plenty of restaurants, shops, you've got the little castle. And then even behind the main harbour area, there's plenty to see up there as well. Restaurants, there's even a couple of bars and clubs up there as well, a little strip. It's not a big one, as big as Lanzarote by any means, but there's plenty on up there. Lots of nice seating as well, which is just taking the sights and the sounds. And that's tea for two, you can see in the distance. That's been there for many years, always very busy and well worth a visit. So, there you go. Quite busy this time of year, the morning time. Very humid actually, it's around about 24 degrees and pretty humid. Still got the Easter egg here. It's been, Easter was last weekend, we're currently midweek now, just after the Greek Easter. It's a week after ours. The Easter bunny. I think it's a bunny, it's not a bunny, is it? It's a chicken laying an egg. Tea for two. That's been there for many years, that place. Right, so we'll just end it there. Let's just have a look along Paphos Harbour. April 2026. Quite busy if you're thinking of coming. It's a good time to come, it's not too hot. It can get extremely hot in the summer months. June, July and August, even September. It can be unbearable. It'd be too hot for me, that's why I always come in April or October, November time. It suits me. Anyway, we'll leave it there. So as always, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe. And I'll get you in the next one. Bye for now.